In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a custom gauge panel for a VF Commodore for $20 or less. Materials I use are a sheet of 3mm MDF, $4 from Bunnings, carbon fibre vinyl to wrap the MDF in, and a can of spray adhesive, $10, also from Bunnings, as I found the vinyl doesn't stick that great to the MDF. Now the gauge panel will be positioned in the console just in front of the shifter, so you will lose your 12-volt outlet, but I'll be adding a double USB point to my panel. With the rubber mat removed from the console, I use the two slots to locate the gauge panel. Here is a shot of my previous twin gauge panel. Originally I made a template with cardboard and scissors. I then traced out my old panel onto a new piece of MDF and then cut it out using a jigsaw. I've chosen to make the panel out of MDF as it is cheap and easy to work with. You could also make the panel out of plastic or steel sheet. Marking out the holes for the gauges and switches before pre-drilling. And then drilling with multiple sized hole saws for the gauges and switches. This layout ended up being changed as the gauges didn't fit in this orientation. Spray adhesive was applied to both the vinyl and MDF before wrapping and then trimming off any excess material. You could wrap the panel in whatever your favourite colour vinyl is, or even your favourite material. And here is the finished product with the Turbosmart Eboost2, two via twin needle gauges, a pair of switches and a double USB port all mounted up. The panel is a tight pressure fit into the console, but I'm pretty happy with the result. And like always, if you've got any comments or questions, make sure to chuck them below. And thanks for watching.